last part of the tree. Bye-bye. The crazy tree guy's taking you away. No more ants, no more bees. Sorry, had to be done.
Ants are picking that thing apart, man. It's crazy. They're spraying it all summer. It's like, fuck, ants. Little baby ones, you know?
Here we are live, going down in the moment. Big ass train. Chopping it. Chopping it. Hitting that sucker low. Good thing.
Let them low.
Hope it's not too dark. Big ass tree. And it goes to the other side. Won't be long now. Hell yeah! Woo! Up into the sky! Good, she's a wiggling. She's a wiggling. She's a wiggly wiggling. Hanging on by a thread. Here she goes.
It's free.
Here she goes. Up and away. Now that's how it's done. There's a man and his masterpiece.
That's how it's done. What? So that's how it's done.